Hey everyone, it's Rob DeBoer. I wanted to make a quick post that I think really is targeted to people that are very serious about their fitness. I've got a lot of friends that are CrossFitters, bodybuilders, OCR competitors, to what I call the go-ruck crazies, who have discipline beyond anything I've ever had, and everyone in between. But really, we talk about Keto OS and what it does to our biomarkers and what it does for fat loss, because we're not a weight loss company, not a weight loss product. But I was talking to a good friend. Actually, he's an IFBB pro bodybuilder. His name is Tony Freeman, and we were talking about the intensity and just really some of the things he's doing in his workouts that he's never done before. Now, this is a top 10 bodybuilder in the world, still places in the top 5, top 10 in the world. And so, this is someone that's pretty in tune with his body, trains for a living, and for him to notice something so quickly, be it intensity, really endurance. I wanted to dive a little bit deeper. I tell people I know enough to be dangerous, but I'm a research junkie, and so I started diving into what ketones really mean to someone that's a fitness person. They're not really interested in curbing their appetite, or they're not interested in maybe bringing their blood sugar down. All of that is fine for them. But what is the competitive edge for utilizing Keto OS, an exogenous ketone product? And it's pretty impressive, the stuff that we're looking at. I think you're going to see more and more, especially in competition and high-level athletes, the ability of the brain to influence the body. In other words, neurocontrol of autonomic regulation. All that simply means, fancy way of saying, how the brain controls the body. And you've got autonomic mechanisms in place that'll shut the body down, and those are signaled by the brain. And so what we're looking at is, do ketones play a role in letting your body know, or your brain telling your body it's not in trouble? Because skeletal muscle is extremely adaptable. It can do more, really, than it's asked to for most of us. And so I want you to think about that. This is something very significant. It's ongoing research that is extremely exciting for competitive athletes. So if you know of anybody that's not taking this product as a performance athlete, or even someone that takes their performance very seriously, forget about the fourth macronutrient, higher energy yield, more ATP production per oxygen than glucose. Forget about all that. What about the implications of what it does to the brain signaling through, again, neural control over this autonomic regulation, your brain's ability to control what to expect from your body, and how you could maybe go harder, go longer, go faster, go stronger. And after talking to Tony and about his workouts leading up to his next competition, it's exactly on the mark of what we're talking about. So super exciting. Wanted to throw that out there. Hope this helps.